We're here at Collegetown Center on the 6th floor landing. The elevator is on our right, and I wanted to show you the position of this apartment that we'll visit, number 600, because we are right next to the elevator in the center of the floor here. Let's go on in. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. We're on the top floor of this 6th floor elevator building, and this is our premium 6-bedroom apartment within the building. The 00 style is a little larger than the other models. So you'll notice right away that we don't enter through the kitchen like we will in the other 2-bedroom apartments. We'll enter and there's a hallway, there's a closet on the left and a bathroom on the right. Let's take a look at this hall closet. So this is great extra storage space to have within the apartment. So for boxes and coats, luggage, and let's look into the bathroom while we're here by the front before we go into the rest of the apartment. So the bathroom is similar to what we have in the other units. So we'll have that standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and you can see I've got one of the medicine cabinets open over there. There's 2 of them on the wall here in this bathroom, and some towel racks. Let's go on in to the rest of the apartment. So this apartment has a open living room, kitchen space, and then bedrooms on each side. So let's take a look. Let's go on in. So you can see our kitchen here. It's that same kitchen layout that we've seen, but it's all the way in the apartment. So this is one of the few apartments where we're not entering through the kitchen. So we have the refrigerator, dishwasher with the sink, or with the sink above it, and the sprayer. There's a microwave and the stove and oven, and we have some assorted cabinets and drawers. As we go around, let's look at the living room items. So a 2-bedroom apartment will have some seating areas. We've got that dining table with the chairs, some tables, and the seating areas. Let's go take a look out the window. So again, we're on the top floor of this 6th floor building. All of the rooms will have their own air conditioner. You can see this living room air conditioner under the windows here. So we're on the top floor. We're facing south. This is the brighter side of the building. And you can see there's another angle window. That's one of the bedrooms. We'll see that in a minute. But this angle is a little extra space. Over to our left is College Avenue. So you can see our location here in Central Collegetown. And you can see some of our parking areas below us. You'll want to watch parking videos for more parking information. But to our left is the College Ave parking lot. Below that, we have our upper Dryden parking areas. These are assigned parking spaces that are available for rent as a separate contract. Okay, let's take a look in the 2 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 is on the left. I like how these bedrooms are separated by the living room. Let's go on in. So we'll have the furnishings in the bedroom will be that desk and chair, dresser, and bookshelf. We've got the bed over here. This one has the regular window, again, facing to the south. And we have closet over here. I'll get that open so we can take a peek. And here's the room closet. Let's go across and see bedroom 2. So this is on the hallway that we came in the entrance. On this side, we're on the right. So bedroom 2, this is the one with the angle window. So same furnishings. The closet is a different shape here, you'll notice. It's a little deeper. So it has a different space configuration. Same furnishings, full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, bookshelf. And let's go look out the angle window for this one. These angle windows are so fun. It makes it so bright in here. So that's a look at this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here in Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road. This building is in the heart of Collegetown at the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and we're located just 1 block from campus.